Welcome, dear friends around the world. Welcome to Live Discovery. My name is Rola, and together we will try to find out more ways to measure time and clocks. We will find out a way to measure an hour. Get ready and let's start. Hi again. People invented a lot of devices to measure time because they were interested in measuring time. One of these devices is the clock. And as you see here, the clock has two hands, one long and one short. And each one of the hands show different amount and unit of time. To know more about time measurement, I have prepared this special clock that has only one hand. And as you see here, this hand is short. And this short hand is the most important hand of the clock. It is the hand of the hours. Now I put my hand here exactly at 12. It means that it's 12 of the hour. Or, as the English said, 12 o'clock, because they decided to say o'clock instead of the. So 12 o'clock, midnight, and you're sleeping at 12 o'clock, midnight. Then the hand goes to 1, and it's still after midnight, and you're still sleeping. Then we have 3 o'clock, and you're still sleeping. Then we go to 4 o'clock, and again you're in very deep dream. Then 5 o'clock, and the sun is about to rise. It depends where you live. Then the short hand goes to 6 o'clock, and I think that it's time for you to wake up. At 7 o'clock, you're supposed to prepare yourself to go to school. Maybe you can put your clothes on, to wash face, brush teeth, and to prepare yourself to be ready. Then it's 8 o'clock. It's time to go to school. And you arrive somewhere between 8 and 9, because at 9 o'clock you will have your first presentation. Then at 10 o'clock you will do some kind of work, a follow-up or investigation. Then 11 o'clock, it's time to do something else in the classroom, maybe kind of project. Maybe you meet with your friends at 11. Maybe you meet with your classmates. Then at 12 o'clock, it's time to set the lunch. But it's 12 o'clock, noontime. Then you have to do another 12. 1 o'clock, it's time to go outdoor to have a little break. Then again 2 o'clock, but now it's at the afternoon. It's time for you to go back to the classroom to do the afternoon cycle of work. Then on 3 o'clock, it's time to have your snack or maybe to read a story in the classroom. 4 o'clock again, but now it's time to prepare yourself to go back home. At 5 o'clock, you may be doing an extra activity. At 6 o'clock, it's time for you to go back home again, and it's 6 afternoon. Then we go to 7 o'clock, and it's time for you to gather with your family members, maybe to chat about something, or maybe to talk about what happened with you in this day. Then it's 8 o'clock, and it's time to prepare for bed, maybe to read a story, or to have a quick dinner. And then at 9, it's time to go to bed. Then again, it's 10, and now you are already in your bed. 11 again, and you're sleeping, and then it's 12 o'clock again. And now we can count how many hours have passed in one day. Remember that we counted twice 12 hours. The sum is 24. 24 hours a day. And the short hour hand explained and showed us that we've passed 24 hours. It's the most important hand in the clock. And you know, there is something else. There is a big relationship between the clock as one whole and one whole fraction. If you're interested to do some more investigations about what can you do in 1 hour, you can invite your friend or you can invite your family members to do a lot of activities. You may do your timeline of the day, you may write activities, you may use your diary to write the exactly o'clock, and you can plan. Thank you for being with us. If you want to know more about time measurement, join Live Discovery. Thank you for being part of our community.